Welcome friends. This exercise is modeling in Creo software. Now first of all we study this sketch. Now here you can see the complicated sketch. Now some dimension is given and some is not given. So first of all we study this sketch. Now here you can see draw the rectangle of the 154 by 72 mm. 154 by 20 mm, and now adding this type of profile and extrude up to 72 mm. Then after you can add this extrude slot, and now this one is the extruding and this one is the rib adding process. Now first of all we draw this side profile. Now visible you can see this one is the arrow. Now draw this profile and extrude up to 72 mm. Our easiest method is this one. Now first of all we draw this 20 by 154 rectangle. Now open the Creo and enter the part name exercise 20, select part, solid, and OK. Now our working window is open. Now first of all we select sketch, and now this direction, so select front plane and OK. Now here to select the rectangle dimension is given 154, and now this one 20 mm, and this one is a half of 154. Now draw this profile. You can see this thickness is 10 mm, so this slot is given 10 mm. Now measure this slot from this edge and draw the rectangle and extrude throughout. So first of all we calculate this slot. Now here you can see the 54 mm dimension from this edge, so 54 mm plus adding this radius, half of radius. Now radius is inner radius, so inner radius is 18 mm, so this 54, and now this radius is 80, so add 80 mm plus this is 6 mm step, minor step, so add this one 60 mm, so total length is 78 mm, and now this slot is 10 mm, so draw this whole rectangle 10 mm by 78 mm. Select rectangle, and now give the dimension 78 mm, and now this one is a 10 mm. Now trim the sketch. OK. Now make this radius also this one, both the center is same. This one is a 54 mm, and now from this cutout portion, so 54 mm from this edge. Now bigger radius is 28 mm and small radius is 18 mm. Now 6 mm step given from this, so now select center arc given, this radius given 80 mm, and now bigger radius is 28 mm, so same circle 28 mm. Now this edge dimension is 54 mm. Now measure from this here, you can see the 6 mm. Now this one is 6 mm, so our sketch is fully ready. Now select the trim, cut this, and now make it close. Okay, finish. Now extrude, select extrude definition, symmetric, and now select 72 mm. So enter 72 mm. Okay. Now make this hole. The center is given from the base is 82 mm, and now bigger diameter is 36 mm and small diameter is 18 mm. Select this one, select line, draw the two circles, give the diameter 36 mm, now small diameter 18 mm. Now this dimension is 84 mm, and now this dimension is given, sorry, this one is 82 mm, and now this one is given. Calculator from this is 54 plus 46 plus 18 mm, 118 from this edge, this one is 80 mm, and now from this edge 118. Now finish. Now extrude this one 54 mm from symmetric plane. So select extrude symmetric, and now 54 mm. Okay. Now make this rib tangent to both circle and 10 mm in thickness. So now both the side, this one is a rib, so make this profile type and make this close this sketch and extrude symmetric 10 mm. So select sketch. Okay, now draw this circle. Draw the two lines. So add the relation, make coincide this. Now select the Now draw the line. Now trim the remaining line. Okay. Now select extrude 10 mm equal. Okay. Now select the sketch. Now first of all we take plane from here and now draw this ribs. Select the plane. The calculation of the plane is 4. So make this plane offset. Now enter here 41 mm. Enter minus value. So is in center. So okay. Now select sketch. Select this plane. Okay. Now draw here profile. Select coincide. This is. Now give this dimension 28 mm from this center. So select dimension. This is 28 mm. Now coincide with this face. So and now for the tangent finish. Now select here profile rib, enter the thickness 10 mm. Okay. Now mirror this one, select profile, mirror, select this plane. Okay. Make this slot at the center 20 mm and throughout this one. So select sketch. Okay. Now draw here rectangle. Give the dimension coincide this is, and now this one is a 10 mm. So with this dimension 10 mm. Okay, now select extrude opposite direction 10 mm. Okay. Now make this corner radius 10 mm. Select round. Select width control 10 mm. Okay. Now make this hole from this edge 80 mm and from this edge 54 plus 46 100 mm. Diameter is 12 mm. So select sketch, select this face. Okay. Now draw the circle, diameter 12 mm with the dimension from this edge 18 mm and this dimension from this edge 100 mm. Okay. Now select extrude, through all. Okay. Now mirror this hole, select this extrude, mirror and select this plane, mid plane. Okay. Now our exercise is done. So we render it. Okay. Hide the old plane. Now thanks for watching these videos.